checking in. We checking in. Roger that. What's hand? As you guys can read by the title of this video, we got some RSX content on the way. We have a battery relocation kit. I'm so excited. I'm very excited. I'm finally cleaning up the engine bay of the RSX before I send it in for paint. Still waiting on them to have an open time slot so we can drop the car off. I'm still debating on what color I want to paint the RSX. I don't want to keep it silver, but if I do, then I don't have to worry about door jams and then the bonnet and all that other stuff, or the engine bay. But like, I could also, with the engine bay, like, this is just a daily, you know what I mean? Like, I don't mind painting the car a different color and having like the silver door jams and stuff like that, because it's a daily, goddammit. Don't need that, you know what I mean? I just want a nice looking, cool, crazy color daily driver. I'm thinking about doing Type R yellow though. I think I'm gonna do Type R yellow. That should be fresh. Right now I'm on the way to Rainey's house so we can install said battery relocation kit. And we'll talk more about the company that gave us this kit to install, which I'm very thankful for. Shout out to you guys. So stay tuned and just vibe with your boy today. You know what I mean? While I look cool and clean. Bro, why you got a face mask on and you outside? You good, bro? I promise you. I promise you. I promise you. I'm a doctor. I think I'm ready to jump out the window.
What's wrong with you?
Alright, so this battery relocation kit comes from the company Dept Auto Sports. You like that for now, I mean, a little promo. They reached out to me. They saw one of the videos where I was talking about cleaning up the engine bay, and they offer a battery relocation kit so I can run my hybrid racing cold air intake. And what we have in this package is that part, all made in-house. Oh, that's fresh. All right, so here we have all the wiring we need. Oh, bruh. This key tag terminal.
Oh, I like that key tag.
Bruh, look at this box.
Oh, that's nice.
Tog, look at this box.
Oh, damn.
That's fresh. Got the NISDA on the side.
Damn, I need me one of these, John.
Facts. Oh, guess what? They do offer discount codes, and guess who got one? Yup.
The one and only?
The one and only. Use code Zosh for 10% off.
Limited time.
And why are you yelling at these people, bro?
I gotta let them know, bro. I come for real and come correct. When I come correct.
Lava.
Shout out to my ladies
fire.
out there. Fish. So what do you think, Randy? What's the plan of operation?
Not rush it? Knowing your ass, you probably rush it.
Big facts.
Knowing you'll probably what? You'll probably take this. Put the bitch in there. Put some black tape on it. Run the power over there. Find a ground spot. And you call it a day. That's what you would do.
It sounds good. Sounds like I should do it.
That's an easy way. That's a getaway too.
That's the only way. That's the Wakandian way. So here we have the Dept Auto Sports battery relocation kit for the RSX. Luckily for me, they're including all the grounding cables that I would need to do this. This is all I would need to have this in the car. Now the issue is, how do we do it in the nice, neat, professional way that's nice and neat and professional? I don't know. I'll have to figure it out. And that's why we got Randy. Oh, yeah. So this is for Randy's employee evaluation. Of course, step 1, we remove the battery. Step 2, what we doing? What we doing, Randy boy? What we doing? What are we doing? Damn, I'm gonna have a lot of battery space. I mean, yeah.
Hold on, I got Young M.A. playing in the background, bro. I got Quartet in the background, bro.
Fred,
watch out, bro.
What you got in your hand, bro?
But I got them live by 6 guys, you see me?
Oh, yo, move up.
On, bro.
Yeah. Make sure
Live
y'all check out Fred's right there.
EGKCoupe.com. You heard me? And I got shirts. Tighten up.
Yeah, man. To bolt up your Dept battery relocation tray, the 2 holes that is used to hold down your tray to the chassis, you just use those 2 bolt holes, and that's it. And then our Randy is fishing out to
4 bolts.
It's 2 bolts.
I know, but it's 4 bolts.
There's 4 bolts until over there.
Mom, where's that fish?
He's fishing the thing out. Hey, thanks for fishing it for me though, bruh. So that's it. Securely tightened down. There's 2 bolts, all you need. Battery sits right there. Have the positive on the outside. Better, you don't have it too close to the inside or anything. And that's it. So the wire we received from the company, we're just gonna tap into this using this bolt hole right here. Tap that in there. With the cable provided in the kit, this is what you do to wire it up to your OEM positive. You just tap into that with the, well, you know, I can't explain nothing properly, but you see what's going on. And that's it, bruh. Now we got power, negative simple, right here. There you go to the battery, and there's an OEM ground hole somewhere right there you can tap into. Each side you can tap into, and then you're good. Simple, simple, simple. The more cool way to do this would be using heat shrink and everything, but
Cut that terminal out.
yeah,
We ain't got that.
We ain't got all that right now. We're just gonna electrical tape it, get it out the way so you don't see it. Out of sight, out of mind type deal, and that's wraps. That boy Randy a beast, bro. Hey, I might hire you. Nah, I'm gonna hire Fred. Fred, you wanna work for my company? You get a $5 biggie bag every day for lunch.
I'm gonna do with that.
You gonna eat it? Okay, I give you 2 $5 biggie bags. That's $10, bro.
Yo.
That's 20 nuggets, 2 burgers, 2 sets of fries, and 2 drinks, bro.
Yo, $30 I know are minimum.
$30 minimum.
Minimum. Hour.
Hour.
With full benefits, 401k matching at 8%.
He's still gonna call out of work to play games. They gonna be, hey, Fred, you coming to work today? Nah, bro, I'm sick. Randy, man,
Randy build.
man.
Randy build. I said never let Randy do that shit. Bro.
So here we have our battery location done. Not too hard. Only thing I gotta do is order a aftermarket battery tie down because this is obviously not doing nothing really. But other than that, it's in there.
It is doing something.
Simple and clean. You see where Randy powered up the negative to the OEM existing ground hole. And then for the thing, we just looped it underneath there, right there, underneath. And now,
I got you.
now we crank up the car and see if we're good to go.
Lower it, man.
Nah, I still probably gotta do zip ties. That ain't gonna bother me. That ain't look. Nah, I saw his hand moving. I better look up quick. Hey. Battery relocation kit done, boy. All right.
That was simple.
That was simple, right?
I was over exaggerating this shit.
Simple and clean. And voila, have a pretty successful battery relocation install from the company Nizda Autosports. We're one step closer to cleaning up the engine bay. And as you guys can tell, that engine mount is finito. So, gotta get some mounts for this car. RBC manifold will be here tomorrow. Gonna install that here pretty soon. Only thing left to do is probably do an AC tuck line kit, power steering tuck line. Oh, actually, for the power steering, I am going to do the EPS stuff. So, yep, it's gonna look good. Just give me some more time. But man, that is nice. Anybody can steal my battery now if they wanted to. Wham, wham, wham. What's your thoughts about today's project, my fellow employee?
Real simple.
Real simple?
Easy.
Ooh.
Product look amazing.
Product look amazing.
Mm-hmm.
You sold me, bro. Sold me.
Y'all go cop.
Mm-hmm.
Nizda.
Nizda, bro. The truth. Back home and we got a package. Let's see what's inside. Oh. You know what these are?
No.
You don't know what that is?
Oh, gloves.
Yeah, man. We got racing gloves, guys. We gonna race me car. Yeah, man. We gonna soon race. Yo. Big rings. These gloves are gonna win me a championship. I mean, a trophy. Whether it's grid light or anything. Why are you shooting so low? You gotta shoot high.
I ain't tall.
Yeah. Look at these gloves. Oh, this is fire.
Oh, it's about that time. Oh, it's about that time. Clock out. Clock out.
Someone sent me a gold chain and some jewelry and some Slim Jims and Auntie Anne's Cinnamon Bite. Huge thank you to Nizda Autosports for sponsoring this video with the beloved RA6 battery relocation kit. God, bro. Whew. If you pull up with a stick, it's a car with a manual transmission. Bars. And I totally stole that from Eminem. If you guys would like your own battery relocation kit, you've seen how simple it is. You've seen how nice the quality is. Hopefully you can see how nice the quality is throughout this video, obviously. Link down below to where you can order, and make sure you use discount code Zosh for 10% off. Yeah. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like on the video. If you did not enjoy the video, please leave a dislike on the video. I don't give a f. I love each and every single one of you. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you. I hope you're having a fantastic day. And if you're not, have a fantastic day. Now, I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one. I am out. Peace. Oh, wow. Hello.